Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making rice, bay leaf and cloves hair moisturizer. I'm using this amount of cloves because cloves really works. Yes, it makes your hair really full, but too much of it makes your hair dry. So, and it's the dryness that causes hair fall. So I'm going to be using this amount of cloves because I'm using more rice. I'm using this amount of rice because rice contains some amino acids and minerals, it's an antioxidant, and then it strengthens the hair roots and prevent breakage. So this rice is already washed, so I'll be adding it into my mixing bowl. Then I have bay leaves. I'll be using bay leaf because bay leaf is a natural condition. It contains so much conditioning properties that it helps soften your hair and then keeps your hair moisturized all the time. So I'll be using just 7 leaves of this bay leaf. I'll be mixing it into my rice and cloves. I'll be adding hot water into this mixture. I've added my hot water, so I'll be leaving this for 24 hours before straining it out. Hello guys, so it's been 24 hours and I'm going to be straining out my mixture just to get only the water. So we now have just the water. So most people say that rice water smells after some time. So I'm going to be using orange peels. Orange peels helps a lot, and they are also good for the hair because they contain antioxidants. So I'm going to be putting this into my spray bottle before I turn my water in it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.